Inspect the container floor and sidewalls. Check for protrusions, burrs, wells, sharp points, or welding marks. Clean the container thoroughly, ensuring the floor is free of debris. Apply protective measures to any areas that may cause damage to the Flexitank. Apply corrugated paper to protect the container sidewalls. Reinforce the rear end of the container. After finishing wall protection, wear shoe covers before entering. Use corrugated paper to protect the container floor. Take out the Flexitank and place it into the container. Spread the Flexitank towards the inside of the container. Adjust to align the Flexitank S centerline with the container S centerline. Leave a 60 cm gap at the door end for protective liner installation. Arrange the Flexitank lashing straps neatly and keep them flat. Unfold the protective liner and place it beneath the Flexitank. Align the edge of the protective liner with the first lashing strap near the valve. Tie the protective liner ropes to the container wall hooks. Open folded sections of the Flexitank for loading pipe installation. Remove the inner screw cap. Install the adapter. Connect the loading pipeline. Open the valve and start the machine. Begin loading. When the target volume is reached, stop the machine. After ensuring the machine is switched off, close the valve and disconnect the pipeline. Remove the adapter. Install the screw cap and dust-proof cap. Arrange and secure the bonnet. Hang the front end of the protective liner. Neatly arranged liner. Loading completed. Close the right container door, ensuring the locking rods, latches, and handles are in proper position and functioning correctly. Affix the warning sticker on the left door. Attach a warning tag to the bar lock. Apply a seal to the lock rod to ensure cargo security during transit.